Okay, I don't have COVID. Alright, so I'm not really much into reviewing kits. I leave that to the pros. But I was searching in YouTube what kind of reviews are out there for this kit. This is also the, by the way, this is the F90 Master Grade Gundam. But there's plenty of reviews for the kit itself, but none of good quality for the expansion pack. So that's the only reason why I'm doing a review. Otherwise, I probably would have avoided doing reviews because I suck at doing them. And they're too complicated for me to make. Alright, so I'll be quick. I'll just go over the regular unboxing, how many runners come with a kit. I'll do the full review for the entire F90 kit, and then I'll do a separate review on the same video with the expansion edition. Okay? Alright, I'm back. So we'll start with the F90 Master Grade review, and then we'll go over the mission pack, the expansion parts for this kit. So I've already unwrapped it from the plastic bags because I'm not into ASMR.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I think it's stupid. That's just me. But you know, people have different tastes. We'll start with the manual right there. This is the F90 Gundam. I'm not gonna go over the lore because I don't know what the lore is and I don't feel like doing any research. But that's what that is. Now, I don't know how many runners came with this kit, so we'll just count together. And then eventually I'll build this and then do a long review. And same thing for the mission pack. Also, this is the decals that came with the kit. Apparently, if you buy a premium Bandai kits, it comes with decals, not stickers. So right there, decals. So let's count how many runners. We'll count this as a runner too. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2. Whoop. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's it. 12 runners and some color correcting stickers and some wires. That's what came with a kit. The next one I'm gonna go over will be the expansion pack for the kit. Let me move this away. This is the R-type and V-type expansion for the F90. Also a premium Bandai, unfortunately. This is the manual right there. Boom, boom, boom. It's a pretty short manual because there's only, there's not so many parts for it. Color correcting stickers. It always comes with it. Bandai never fails. And decals. It does come with decals too. So now you got 2 small sheets of decals if you have both the mission pack R-type and V-type, and then the actual kit. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 runners and 2 wires. Through the power of editing, I built this kit in about a week or 2, and then I will do a quick review for the kit. So be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. I kid. I'm not that good at editing. Okay, be right back. Alright, so finally done building this Master Grade F90. This is just gonna be a very quick overview of the kit. I am reviewing more the expansion for the kit instead of the kit itself. How many times did I say kit? So many times. I'm sorry. So quick overview with the kit. Very fun to build. has a lot of part separation, like the tiny parts right there and all that stuff. Definitely lends a lot into customizing because of all the parts that you can, all the part separation that you can show when you're painting the kit. Also, coming from somebody that's only built very old master grade Gunpla, since this is fairly new, at least to my knowledge, this is probably the best, and actually it is the best master grade kit I've ever built. Because look how sturdy it is.
Oh my god.
Look at that. That's insane. To me, that's crazy.
Oh my god.
I've built the Sinanju, the Turn X, the Strike Gundam 1.0, I think that's what it is. What else? The Unicorn, and they flap around. This thing is sturdy as hell. And I got the shield attached and the gun, and they're not moving, which to me is foreign. So if that's what I look for, what I'm gonna get into when it comes to like building new kits, it's gonna be fun. Because I hate building those old master grade kits. What else can I talk about? I mean, there's not a lot. I mean, there's other more qualified reviewers that you could watch, but this is just a quick overview. For a quick size comparison, let me stop this from spinning. Right there. It is fairly small. These two right here, those are 1/144 scale kits. This is my high grade Origin Guard Custom right there. As you can see, it's very small. And this is my Portanova, my latest custom that I did right there. And as you can see, it is very small. If I stand this next to my newly built Penelope, all it has to do is flap its wings and it's gonna fly off. Let me move this thing out of the way first. Well, I'm just gonna have him stand right in front of him, right? As you can see, it is very small for a master grade kit. And this is the Penelope right here. So zooming out, look at the Penelope compared to these two kits. It is huge for an HG kit, right? But I was expecting for this F90 kit to be a little bit, kind of big, but it is fairly small. So I could definitely fit this F90 with the team. So now I'm gonna have a 3-teamer there. I mean, the goal for me eventually is to have at least 5 or 6 of these same color scheme, or like fairly close color scheme. So I'm probably gonna custom this one, not right away, but I just come up with a concept for it. But he's probably gonna be like the field general or something. I don't know. That's the master grade F90. Like I said, you could look it up on YouTube for better reviews of it. I'm not gonna go over fairly detailed review of it because that's too much, and I'm not into reviewing kits. So I'll be right back. I'll put together the 2 expansion packs for it that I bought through P Bandai, and then we'll go over that a little bit more. Be right back. So now we're gonna be talking about the mission packs for the F90. I got this. I got it from the P Bandai website, and it is the R-Type and the V-Type expansion packs for the kit. Out of the two, this is probably my favorite one. This is the R-Type. They call it Reconnoiter type. I don't even know if I'm mentioning that. But it's a fairly simple expansion to attach in there. All you have to do was take out the shoulder parts, the leg, like a leg part, and then the arm part, and then that's it. It's fairly easy. So the R-Type parts is the shoulders right here, arm part right there, and the back, I want to say camera on the backpack, and the legs right there. It's a fairly simple attachment to put in, but overall it looks pretty cool in my opinion. Probably customizing this kit using this expansion right here, and maybe add in the parts of the V-Type to make it look even better. That's just me. So by the way, the gun is part of the F90, not the expansion part. The reason I say that because the V-type, when we go over it really quick, it comes with its own gun. So that's the R-type. Now I'm gonna be going over the V-type. I'll be right back again, and I'm gonna go attach the V-type mission pack for the F90. Ooh-wee. So this one is the V-type. Definitely more parts intensive than the R-type. It's got more things to attach into the F90. So let me just rotate this really quick. As you can see, since the F90 is the best master grade I've ever built, the posing is still there. It's still very posable after attaching all that crap in there. The parts for the V-type mission pack is this backpack right here, and then this two giant side cannons right there. That's one of them. Whoop, hold up, I might tip this thing over. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's the posing. I messed up the posing there. I think we're safe. So the backpack right there, this part's right here on the side skirts right there. This two front yellow parts right there is also part of it. The leg parts, the side armor right there, and then the back armor right over here, that's also part of it. This backpack, this skirt back booster right there is also part of it. This gun right here is part of that. The flappy shoulders with the wings there, that's part of the V-type. This is definitely more wingy, I would say. Oh, and then it comes with its own gun right here too, which is a better gun compared to this. That's just my opinion. There you go. Let me auto focus on that. So that's just me. Definitely more, like I said, it's got more parts than the R-type. But you know, more does not always mean good in my opinion. So that's just me. That's just my opinion. I definitely like the gun on this one better. And then this two side cannon things right there, I definitely like that. The flappy things on the leg and the shoulder parts, I'll probably do without that. So you know, that's the V-type right there. It's definitely looks still pretty cool in my opinion, but I prefer the R-type than this. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go combine the R-type and the V-type to the way I want it to look like when I custom the kit at some point in my life. Alright, I'll be right back. Dude. Okay, I'm back. That took a little bit because I was trying to decide how I would combine the two mission packs to my own liking. So this is what I'll end up coming up with if I ever do customize this kit. What I kept for me is largely the R-type, and then I am probably gonna keep the leg parts right there, and the side skirts and the back part booster right there, and also the gun and the front side skirt armor thingies right there. Those are probably the only things that I will keep on the R-type or the V-type part of the expansion, and then I'm largely probably gonna keep majority of the R-type when I do customize this. But there's probably different configurations that people could come up with if they have more of the mission packs for the F90. These are not the only two. There's probably like 6 or 7 more, and a whole bunch more coming out sometime soon. And but yeah, for me, this is probably the best one, the best combination I would come up with for the F90. But yeah, so that's just a quick review of the mission pack for the F90, which is the R-type and the V-type. Don't expect me to do a lot of reviews. I'm not very good at doing video reviews. I'm not even good at making any videos at all. I just do this for fun. But you know, I try to upload as much as I can. So that's it for me. Hope you guys like this review. It's not a detailed one like those other freaking bigger YouTubers and stuff, but you know, it's something. Because there's not a lot of information about this mission packs right here. That's the only reason I did this quick review for it. That's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Thank you for watching. And everybody stay safe. Bye. Also share this video to your friends if you want to. Or not. I don't care. Bye! Oh, also, before I forget, the expansion pack came with this shield effect and the saber sword effect. Alright? You can attach that on these things right over here. Just a quick side note. Okay? Bye!